Hi friends, Tim Schrock here at Design Build Solutions. After my video on layers, wall assembly layers in Chief Architect X16, the comment was made, we've been able to make layers for these walls uh, since X8 or something like that. X12, I don't remember. Anyway, true. So I want to try this in X15 and just see how it works. I have set up some existing walls here, some new 2x4 walls, exterior and interior, as well as some exterior 2x6 walls, and just see how we can do this. To start off with, I'm going to need to adjust my wall definitions for existing to make them solid and follow the layer color. We'll set up layer colors in a minute. For interior and exterior layer color. All right. And let's do the same for my new 2x4 walls. Well, let's do this. Let's change these walls to layer, define, and copy this one. So that should be existing. Let's change the layer to color to white and see what we've got to deal with here. Okay, so we've got to go into our definitions again and change these to black. Same with the exterior walls. All right, that works for now. We'll see how this goes. So let's change this layer to copy normal 2. This would be new 2x4, and let's change that wall color. This blue color. And let's change the wall types again specifically. For some reason, when you do that, it pulls this up. Oh, because these are by layer. So let's make this black. Oh, interesting. When I changed it here, it didn't change this in the dialog box, but now it is. Now it is that we've done that. Let's change the interior wall type as well. And then we'll have to do the same with the 2x6. Whoops, black. Wall types. Not wall types. I want layer. There we go. Define, copy, new 2x6. And let's change the color here to yellow. Change the wall type itself. Okay, that works here. Let's change it to my CD plan 3. And if we change this to black, Oh, I got to change. Oh, I forgot one more setting in these wall types. This has to be changed to the layer color. There we go. Fine. Interesting. So, looks like we could do this as a marketing plan set um, in X15 as well. I just didn't play with it hard enough. The one thing I would say is then, so we would have to draw the walls. What is this? Setting for existing. I thought we changed setting for existing. Oh, there we go. We got to change white. What normal walls to white. So we'd have to. I guess this works if you change the wall layers to their individual wall types. Or the individual walls to the appropriate wall layers. You'd have to do new 2x4 or new 2x6 in addition to, so if you wanted to draw an addition on this end, you would have to say go wall type siding 4, siding 6 new, and change the layer to new 2x6 as well, and then it would go yellow like that. Where if you just, yeah, that would work. We did the default layer, even though it's a siding 6 new, it would still show up as white, the existing fill. So change that layer to 2x6. And you could fudge it by saying go new 2x4, and then it looks like a 2x4 wall, but it's really a 2x6 wall. So it could get tricky, but you can do that. Go new 2x6, and we'll draw an interior 2x6 wall as well here. Find this one as use layer color and change these to black. That would work. There you have it. You could have X15 and previous have a marketing plan similar to what I did in X16. The thing with X16 would be you can set it up in your wall type by default to be on the proper layer. So you would eliminate that step in X16. Hope that helps. Take care. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.